We've probably all seen friends on Facebook whose accounts have been hacked, or maybe it's even happened to you. Recently, I've had several notifications about people trying to access my account, and fortunately, in my case, Facebook stopped those. But it made me want to share with you one of the easiest and best things we can all do to protect our accounts. Turn on two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short, adds an extra verification step when you log in. So after entering your password, Facebook will send a code to your phone via text message or a special kind of app called an authenticator. Then you will enter that code on Facebook to verify that you were supposed to have access to that account. So even if someone steals your password, they can't get into your Facebook account unless they also have your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to set this up using the Facebook app on your phone. If you're looking to do this on a laptop or desktop computer, I'll be making a separate video on that. So we'll start out in the Facebook app. You'll tap on the menu icon, which is the one with the 3 lines. On my screen, it's in the bottom right, but I've heard others say that they have it in the top of their screens. Tap that, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. On the next screen, look for the box that says Meta Accounts Center. Tap See More in Account Center. Then tap Password and Security. Next, select Two-Factor Authentication. Then tap the account you want to add authentication to. Next, choose how you want to receive your notifications. For this video, I'll select SMS, which means text message. If you're already comfortable with authenticator apps, you can select that if you'd prefer. On the next screen, you'll be asked for your mobile phone number. Make sure you enter a number that can receive text messages here. Within a few seconds, you will receive a text at that number containing a 6-digit code. Enter that code here, then tap Next to finish the process. From now on, when you enter your Facebook password, they will text you a new code to verify that you are allowed to access the account. And that's it. It only takes a minute or two of effort and gives you way more peace of mind. Please like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips.